My presentation is on the very modern issue of in-person versus online learning. This has been a very hot topic in America since the beginning of COVID-19. So, with that being said, the question stands, which is more beneficial? Let's begin. Benefits to in-person learning. Nothing can top face-to-face learning. It allows each student to easily have access to individual, personalized learning. In-person learning brings out the most in teachers. They have the ability to connect with the students on a more personal level. In-person also brings out the most in the students. Also, being face-to-face, you have the ability to have two-way dialogue, which is known to be the most effective way for students to comprehend information they are learning. Benefits to learning a language in person. If there was a foreign exchange student, it'd be easiest for them to learn English by speaking directly to the teacher or their peers. Being closer to the culture allows for a deeper connection of the language. All of this can open more opportunity for using that language on a deeper level in the real world. Drawbacks to in-person learning. Although there are many benefits to in-person learning, those come with some drawbacks. Some kids who seek more advanced classes maybe did not get the opportunity because the class is full, or maybe the school does not offer the class in the first place. This can spark problems when there are kids trying to further their education. Some kids may not feel comfortable speaking in front of other people. This could spark dangerous conditions like anxiety or depression. Benefits of online learning. When doing online education, it can be more accessible, meaning kids may have more opportunity to take more advanced classes. Research shows that kids are scoring higher averages on tests. Some kids have been able to have more free time with more flexibility for their schoolwork. Using that, they can have a full-time job experience to help them when moving on into the workforce after high school, or maybe even internships with college. Benefits to foreign language students online. If a foreign exchange student has a hard time with the English language, they can make it easier on themselves by contacting native educators like tutors locally or even from their native country. Students can accomplish this through using software like Zoom or FaceTime, which have become very, very popular since COVID-19. Drawbacks to online learning. Kids can have a tough time comprehending material when it is not explained to them face-to-face. Being in the comfort of your own house you can easily get distracted or get lazy. When at school, it is definitely easier to stay on track and focus. Some kids may lack the technology to complete assignments when performing online learning. Conclusion. In-person learning is a clear winner to the debate, and in school, everyone has equal opportunity for improvement. Everyone has access to the proper tools for learning. Also, when in school, teachers are able to give specific individual, personalized learning to allow growth for every single student. Thank you for just tuning in for my presentation.